cat people, how are you today? I'm Catlady Antigoni, and the reason that you see me in black and white is because today we are doing a Halloween bingo! Halloween season is finally here and I'm really excited about it. So for this period I decided to do yes, you listened very well, 2 palette bingos with Halloween themed palettes, and the idea was to do just one video, but then I found out that I have quite a lot of Halloween palettes and I think this means a lot about me and about how much I love this. So for today we're having these 5 palettes, and as always I'm gonna generate some random numbers and let's see, are we gonna be lucky today? I'm gonna start with the Bad Witch palette from Give Me Glow. As you can see, it has 12 colors, so I have set my random number generator from 1 to 12 and let's generate together. Okay, we have number 7. Well, I'm praying to have like a purple or a pink. So 4, 5, 6, 7. A green. Okay, it's not a purple or a pink, but I like it. It's so beautiful. It is called Let Me Spell It Out for You. Love the names of this palette. The second palette is gonna be from Colourpop, The Nightmare Before Christmas. Again, here we're having 12 eyeshadows, so I don't have to make any changes at my random number generator. Let's see. Okay, here we have number 12. Wow, it's this amazing black with a purple shimmer inside. Wow, I'm getting so excited. It's called Halloween Town. I'm gonna write it down and I'm gonna come back. The next palette is again from Colourpop. It's the Hocus Pocus palette. Let me show you the color scheme. Again, we are having 12 eyeshadows. In here, I would like to see a green again, maybe this shimmery one, or a purple. I think if I don't get one of these, I'm gonna be kinda sad. Let's see. I'm having number 5. It's not gonna be a purple. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's a golden. I'm not happy with golden, okay? I don't like golden as a color to begin with. I don't like warm tones, but it is what it is. We are gonna find a way to make them work together. The next palette is the Spooked from Gourmand Girls. It has 14 amazing eyeshadows. Well, here I'm hoping to get again this purple. I don't know. I don't have high hopes anymore. Let's see, okay? We're having number 13. Is 13 red? Yeah, this one right here is number 13. Are we happy about this? Is it gonna be a Christmas look with the dark green and the red? Who knows? And the last palette for today is gonna be from Lovelace Cosmetics. It is called Live Forever and it's inspired by the interview with a vampire. This color scheme is so beautiful. It has a golden that I would not like to see on my eyes, and I would not like to see any of these 3 colors. So let me set my random number generator from 1 to 9. Yes, so let's generate. Number 2. Wow! I have a green again! My god, this is gonna be a Christmas look. Okay, so give me a second. I would like to think something about all of these colors that I have in front of me now, and I'm gonna come back to start with the eye look. Alright, so I have figured out what I would like to do on my eyes. I have already started by this eye pencil. This is in the shade Motivation from Your Makeup Stories, a small business in Cyprus. And I think that I cannot avoid the Christmassy look, but I will try my best not to have something very Christmassy. Anyway, I'm gonna start by the red of the Gourmand Girls palette. It is called Terror, and basically what I'm gonna do is to underline kinda like the red line that I have created and go slightly bit above it. It's gonna be very interesting not to have the red and the green mixed because they're not really mixing together. So that's why I decided to go with a cut crease shape and hopefully I can avoid this unpleasant combination. And now that I have set my boundaries with red and I'm sure that I will not have any green above the red line, I'm gonna go to the Bad Witch palette. From this palette I'm gonna take the, let me spell it for you, this amazing green eyeshadow, and I'm gonna go here at the outer part of my eye to do some pat work. Wow, this eyeshadow is amazing. My look is definitely gonna look like a Christmassy themed look. Well, this could be a challenge, how to do a Christmas look with Halloween palettes. I don't know, I clearly try to find something to justify the look that I'm creating right here. Time to give some depth to my look, so I'm gonna use the black eyeshadow. Let me take the palette here. From The Nightmare Before Christmas. I will start with blending motion, so I think that at first we will not be able to see all the shimmers that I really love in this eyeshadow, but hopefully later on I will be able just to pack it on so the shimmer will appear. Let's see what we're doing here. Yeah, as always when I'm working with black, I have a mess on my face, and this is why I prefer to always start with eye makeup and not with face makeup, because I can correct everything after this. Yeah, I think that this actually looks nice, and we are kinda like leaving Christmas behind. Can I say this, or I just really want to not do anything Christmassy, that I try to find reasons to say, yeah, it has black, so it cannot be Christmassy, right? I think I'm quite happy with the shape that I have created. Worry not about some black fallout that I have right here, because I'm gonna clean it after I finish with my look. And I think that now it's time to start using shimmers. Well, I'm gonna start by using the Lestat from this palette. I have primed my eyelids again with Fix Potion from Carla Cosmetics in order not to have any creasing, which I absolutely hate. So I'm gonna dive in with a brush. This one is from Morphe specifically, and I'm gonna tap a bit of the shimmer on the existing green here. Wow! I love it. I would love to see a bit of orange with this look. We don't have this, I know. Or can I make it? Can I actually combine some golden here to make the red more orangey-like? This might be interesting, but at the same time, I do not want to destroy the shape that I have created with the red, because I think it's a very kind of like interesting shape to have at my eye, and I love like how this is going upwards while the blending here is going out and a bit downwards. And I think this is something that I haven't really tried in my makeup looks. That's why I'm doing the bingos, because I really enjoy to do new things to my makeup. So I'm not sure if I want to destroy it, but I think I can try a bit on the edge. What do you say? What do you think about it? What would you do if you have this color scheme but you really would like to avoid Christmassy looks? I think I decided. Well, first of all, I'm planning to start using the golden, which is called Under the Ground, at my inner corner in order to pair it with the green a bit better. And then I'm gonna take this tiny brush from Morphe, the M508, and I will go above the red just to try to create this orange that I have in my head that I'm really missing from this look. But it's okay if I don't do it, it's fine. Like, the red is looking pretty by itself, and I think we have really avoided the Christmas thing. I love the golden in my inner corner. Wow, I saved such a little space for it because I really thought that I'm gonna hate it because I don't like orange. Oh, sorry, I don't like golden. Orange, I don't love it, but it's not that I hate it. I don't like golden as a color that much, but actually with this look, it looks so pretty. What do you think? What's your opinion about it? Now, for the bottom part of my eye, I'm gonna start by using this eye pencil from Aiden. It's a black one, nothing special here. And after this, as you see, I have already started by adding some black eyeshadow. I'm gonna go with the green to kind of like grab it downwards. So hopefully we're gonna have a very beautiful green smoky eye. After this, the plan is to turn off the camera to finish with some details of this makeup and come back to tell you my final thoughts about this look, this experience, and in general I might tell you what I'm planning to do for this Halloween. So if you want to know all about this, stay tuned and I'm gonna come back in a minute. And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. Well, the color scheme that I got from the bingo today was a bit unexpected, so that's why I'm gonna tell you the Greek word for unexpected. So in Greek we say aprosmenos. Say with me, a-pro-sme-nos, aprosmenos. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using the word aprosmenos, or actually tell me the word in your own native language. Now, let me tell you what I have used for my face makeup and then we can move on to the lips. First of all, as a blush, I have used this one right here. It's the liquid blush from MUA Makeup Academy in the shade Rouge. I hope that I say this correctly. And then as a powder, I have used this loose powder from KVD. It is called Translucent. And as a highlighter, I have actually used an eyeshadow from the Spooked palette. I have used my favorite eyeshadow in the world, this one, which is called Pumpkin. And as you can see, it has a very nice green to orange shift. I love it. I just love it. Now, when it comes to the lips, I'm planning to start again with the same pencil that I used to start my eyes. This is Motivation from Your Makeup Stories. And then on top, I'm planning to use this one, which is a fairly new product for me. I mean, I have owned it for quite a while, but I didn't get to try it. So I'm talking about the LH Cosmetics Latex Fever in the shade Red Latex. And it's like a hybrid between a lipstick and a lip gloss, and I'm so curious how this is gonna perform on my lips. So I'm stop talking and I'm start doing right now. All in all, I would say that I'm very happy with this look because first of all, it put me out of my comfort zone, and what's better than that? I don't know if this reminds you of Halloween in the end or not. Please let me know down at the comments. I will be very happy to see everything you have to write. And if you watched until this point, don't forget to include a Halloween emoji. Well, thank you so much for being here with me today. I appreciate you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe if you liked this video, and hopefully I will see you at my next one. Until then, bye!